I have no idea for an introduction, so we're just gonna start with
7 dead frog inside Pepsi can.
And as I know, I actually do not care about the polls at all, so the noise joins the game! How does it feel to join the really epic Hobbit show, Mr. Theodore? Okay, so since I have run out of ideas, your third challenge is to sing me a song. Because music is swag.
Oh yeah, I know what to do.
That city almost made me tear up. You win the challenge.